Chapter 3. Let's regain our field. Antiquaters 1. What were the changes that occurred in the area of agricultural fields from the year 1971 to 2011? During the period 1971 to 2011, the area of agriculture field considerably reduced. In 1971, the area was 8.75 lakh hectares and in 1991, it was reduced to 2.08 lakh hectares in the year 2011. What tendency could be observed in rice production and population growth during the period? In this period, population increased from 2.13 crores to 3.34 crores. But the production of rice steeply reduced from 13.65 lakh tons to 5.69 lakh tons. Is this tendency desirable? Why? This tendency is not advisable. The increase in population and decrease in the area of crop field and the production of rice may lead the nation to poverty. The goal of food safety will not be attainable. Antiquaters 2. What is the role of microorganisms in ensuring the natural availability of elements in the soil? The elements are naturally available in the soil by the decaying action of microorganisms. When leguminous plants are grown in field, the microorganisms that harbors in the root nodules fixes atmospheric nitrogen to the soil. Bacteria, fungi, algae, termite, earthworm, etc. increases the fertility of the soil. What is the need of testing the soil? Answer. Soil testing is done in order to detect the amount of elements present and their pH value of the soil. Why does the application of fertilizers become essential for better crop yield? Answer. Fertility of the soil is increased by proper manuring. Manuring helps to make up the deficiency of elements in the soil that are required for plant growth. As a result, better yield aid obtained. Antiquaters 3. How are modern agricultural practices helpful in reducing crop loss due to climate change? In arrangements like polyhouses, temperature and humidity are maintained constant. Plants grow fast and gets better yield. Polyhouse farming helps to reduce crop loss due to climate changes. What are the advantages of precision farming? This is a technique in which the nature of the soil in the agricultural land, quantity of elements in the soil, presence of water in the soil, etc. are studied accurately with the help of modern technology and suitable crops are selected for cultivation. The attack of weeds also is less because the soil is covered using polythene sheets. Water supply or irrigation can be limited. How does cultivation become possible without depending on soil? Hydroponics and aeroponics are soil-less cultivation method. Here, plants are grown in nutrient solution. Aeroponic plants are grown in such a way that their roots are grown towards air and nutrients are directly sprayed to the roots. Let us assess. First question, cuniculture is related to A. Keeping of honeybees, B. Rearing of rabbits, C. Cultivation of fruits and vegetables, D. Rearing of fish. The answer is rearing of rabbits. Second question, High quality hybrid varieties provide high yield. Then, what is the need of native varieties? Record your response to this statement. The native varieties exist in a particular locality by acquiring natural resistance and adaptation to the climate, availability of food, nature of soil, etc., though they have low productivity. The native varieties have high resistance to diseases and environmental conditions. The extension of native varieties leads to the depletion of our biodiversity. New varieties can be developed only from the native varieties. Third question. Which is the most appropriate way to reduce crop loss due to pests? A. Using high concentration pesticides. B. Protecting friendly pests. C. Practicing integrated pest management. D. Applying organic pesticides only. The answer is C. Practicing integrated pest management. Fourth question. Lower price during higher yield. Suggest a practical solution to overcome this crisis faced by farmers. Collect and distribute resources through farmer societies. Thank you.